Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do something. Oh hell yeah, it's in my bottle. Oh yeah, and that's all about me. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is the Extreme Chain Nature. This is the Extreme Chain Dunk channel. Yeah. I mean Extreme Team. Yes. Which is only 2 people. Yeah. It's the jumping channel. It's the jumping channel. And we're jumping. Go check out my video down in the description. So we will be now exploring with Brandon. Yeah, this pool. Sorry about the room's dirty because we're still putting up these cool lights. And we're fixing it up everything. Yeah. So let's go. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go. It's cold. We gotta go. I'm 7 years old man. But that's all. Okay, let's go explore. Okay, let's go in the nature. Okay, I found nature candy. I think it's poison. Let me look. Tastes good. Okay. Oh, I forgot the nature candy. I'll take it. Now, oh, the nature truck. It's a nature toy. Yes. I wish I was jumping because I like to jump. Sorry's not behind. I'm taking the nature candy. A wallet. Nature wallet. I want to see if it has money. Open it. No money. Guess that no money. Woo! That's okay. We're gonna go exploring like Dory's Floor. Is this the exploring channel? Yeah. And the other one's the extreme jumping channel? Yeah. Okay, where are we gonna explore? We're gonna explore. We're gonna go somewhere. I do have it. Look at the wildness and nature. Yes, nature. My room. Yes, a nature top. Nature. It says Eva. Eva, can you guys see that? Eva. Yeah. I think they can. A nature car. There's Jason in there if y'all can see that. Yeah. Nature car. And if their car comes, we have to hide. Yeah, because when nature, we get scared. Oh God, it's bright. Yeah. Oh shit, Wyatt and car's leaving. Them dudes are leaving, we gotta hide. Oh. Let's hide. Where are we gonna hide? What is that? The nature bucket. The nature bucket is here. Warm. Have the camera and talk. Okay. Well, I'll have and talk to you. Put the camera this way. Okay. It's cool. Put the camera back after. Okay. It's cool with us, but now we're gonna do this. This much of the car doesn't mean that much of a thought. This nature, they're gone. They're gone. I gotta come up behind the Ow! What happened? I hurt it myself. What is that? It's nature butt. Nature butt. It's not like your butt, like down there. It's just cold. They will poke you. They poke. Watch out. Is that a nature bike? A nature bike. Oh. Oh, I'm zooming into your face. A nature car. That's a Corvette. It's literally covered in leaves. Nature Corvette. Okay, let's go explore. I found a nature gumball. Yes. Nature gumball. That you don't actually eat that. That's just called a nature gumball. Look at this dude.
It's too comfy.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Hey, chill, fuck you. I'm a walking camera. I'm not running.
What thing? This is animal skin. It leads to orange skin. Fox. His skin. Fox skin. Dude, more white skin. What has happened?
That's actually just glass.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Whoa, bouncy. Bouncy nature glass.
Yeah, because it's cool bouncy.
Ow. Let's go back into the side and explore the natures.
Yes.
Explore the inside nature.
Yes.
We're going back inside. Do, 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 do. Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, there's a big giraffe up there.
No, no, that.
Okay.
Oh, that's a brick. That's a board. Or brick. Whatever.
Yeah.
Nature signal.
Okay, and that's where we be. And that's where we be.
Okay, are we done doing the nature video?
Yes. Bye, guys. See you later.
I'm gonna do some extreme jumping while he says, see you later.
See you later.
Whoop, boom. Get these tricks. The tutorials will be on this channel.
Yeah.
At Brandon's channel. Some
Yeah.
tutorials will be on my channel. My channel is Extreme Jumping Channel.
Yes.
Go check it out.
Go check out my channel too.
Bye-bye.